go through it twice. Aim to get a little bit of intensity, get with the flow. Otherwise you go stone cold in. Going through. So now to the second one, pick it up as you go. You've been through twice, just get a drink, just compose yourself.
Keep your fluids up.
We're right to go. I'll count you down. 2, 1, go.
Oh. Walk it off, walk it off, walk it off. Come boys, walk it off. Let's go down the ground. Walk it off, Adam.
Activity, voice. Come on, you want to see it?
Go,